Now we are discussing the operations of differentiation. So in operation, how many operations are now? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here the 4 operations. How should I apply in the differentiation? Now we discuss the operations in differentiation. So here differentiation, operations in differentiation. Now first discuss the addition operation. So if you have add the two function, two different function, you have to addition of the differentiation function. For example, d by dx of f of x plus g of x. Have to differentiate the function, have to different function, have to at the same time have to differentiate. I can split up, I can put in the f of x, then g of x, have to addition. So I can make it, this will be d by dx of f of x plus d by dx of g of x. So this is addition of the two functions. You have two different functions. For example, x square will be there, e power x. You have two different functions. Two different functions I can just have to separate the function. You have to separately have to differentiate. For example, I can give the example d by dx of, here for example, e power 2x, then sin x, sin 3x. There are two different functions. Have to add will be there. So I can separately differentiation. So I can make it, this will be d by dx of e power 2x, the next d by dx of sin 3x. Have to separate the function. This is the addition of the two differentiation. The next subtraction. Similarly like that, the addition. So the only symbol will be negative sign. So therefore this is also d by dx of f of x minus g of x. I can split up in the d by dx of f of x minus d by dx of g of x, like that. So this is a subtraction operation. The next, you can give one example here also. For example, d by dx of log x, then x power n. So here I can subtract now. So here put it a negative sign. Log x minus x power n. So this will be differentiation of log x minus differentiation of x power n. So this will be subtraction of the two functions separately. The next, multiplication of the two functions, or else product rule. Know the product rule. Simply multiplication of the two functions or simply is a very important property, product rule and quotient rule. I will discuss the formula. Multiplication or product rule. So here d by dx of. Similarly, here f of x, g of x are. Similarly, take the f of x into g of x, or else take the u comma v. Your choice. You can take the u into v, or else simply f of x into g of x. So here I can make it a uv formula, or else f of x, g of x. So this will be, one term will make it a constant, then another term will make it a differentiation. Similarly, next time will be take it a constant, that time will take it a differentiation. So I can do it now here. So here I take the f of x will make it a constant. So here d by dx of g of x. The next g of x make it a constant. So here d by dx of f of x. So this is a multiplication rule or product rule. Have to f of x into differentiation of g of x plus g of x into differentiation of f of x. Look like that, or simply uv, u into v dash plus v into u dash. You can take anything, uv or else f of x, g of x. Now can I take f of x, g of x? So that's why take it the f of x, the derivative of g of x, the plus g of x make it a constant, then derivative of f of x. You have to, this is called product rule. So one time make it a constant, to differentiate another function. For example, I can give one example here. Now here e power 2x into x square. So this both will be different function. This is exponential function, this is algebraic functions. So this will be both different function. If the same function I can add it, this will be different function. If a different function I can take the f of x and the g of x. I can, this is f of x, here g of x. So here I can do f of x will be make it a constant. So here e power 2x into what? Differentiation of x square, like that, plus x square make it a constant here. So this will be differentiation of e power 2x, like that. So you have to differentiate the functions. So this is called multiplication rule or else product rule.